हेलो गाइस व्हाट्सअप। सो हैरी भाई के कोर्स से हमें एक एक्सरसाइज मिला है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट। मैंने एक बॉयलर प्लेट बना लिया है। इसको डॉक्यूमेंट ही रहने देते हैं और हमें कार्ड बनाना है। कार्ड कुछ इस टाइप से बनाना है। मैं ज़रा खोल के दिखाता हूँ। ओके ओके या या सो कार्ड हमें कुछ इस टाइप से चाहिए। ओके सो बनाते हैं और शुरू करते हैं। मैं स्टाइल यहीं पर लिखूँगा। आई नो दिस इज़ अ बैड प्रैक्टिस बट ये बहुत ही छोटा प्रोजेक्ट है तो स्टाइल यहीं पर लिख देते हैं। ओके सो व्हाट आई कैन सी हियर इज, एक मिनट पहले मैं फाइल मैनेजर को ऑफ कर देता हूँ। ठीक है ओके। देयर इज़ अ div, like, and inside it we have a image and then some tags, then a title, then paragraph and a button in the center. Okay so let's create a div. Like first create a container. Okay अब container sorry dot container होगा. Okay sorry yeah dot container, and in this container we will have like image, like an image. Let's go to pixabay. Sorry, I'm sorry, yeah, let's go live first. And let's see uh, in pixabay if we can get the image or not. So ये पोर्ट चालू हो चुका है एंड या जब तक ये लोड हो रहा है तब तक हम पिक्साबे में जाते हैं और लाइक एक मिनट, इसको पहले थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं एंड यहाँ थोड़ा टेक्स्ट ऐड करते हैं। लाइक इमेज के नीचे है अपना लाइक टैग्स होंगे तो इसको एक डिव में डालना पड़ेगा, लाइक ताकि ओवरफ्लो ना करे। और स्पैन डालेंगे, स्पैन डॉट लाइक इसे कहते हैं हम लोग चिप्स। हाँ चिप्स कहते हैं, चिप ओके चिप कह सकते हैं। लाइक नेचर एंड एक और टैग होगा, लाइक इसको मैं कॉपी करूँगा एंड नेचर के साथ होगा जैसे ब्यूटी। टेक्स्ट तो मैटर नहीं करता है बट हाँ pixabay.com। ओके लेट्स गो एंड या नेचर ब्यूटी एंड ये आ गया। सो लेट्स कॉपी एनीथिंग। लाइक हमारे पास एज अ रेफरेंस में ये इमेज है एंड आई नो द pixabay से मिला है। लेट्स सर्च नेचर. By the way, do you know that Pixabay also has their own APIs? Like we can fetch their APIs to load images. Like it is for free. Yeah. So we will make a tutorial on this next time for sure. Okay. So let's take this image. Okay. Copy image address. Okay. Yeah. Like we have this and yeah. For the add attribute, let's say thumbnail. Okay. So let's see how it looks. Yeah. प्रीटी मच गुड. अभी अभी स्टाइल नहीं करेगी. अभी देखो मैं क्या जादू करता हूँ उसके बाद. लाइक अभी देखो मैं एक एच1 डालूंगा एंड यहाँ लिखूँगा वाई यू शुड visit this place, visit this place, why you should visit this place, and then a paragraph with a lorem like yeah, lorem 50. Yeah, it is perfect. And we will have a button, and actually it is not a button. Let's make it a link because at the end this is going to be a link only, so it will be better. And yeah, read more or yeah read more, and R is capital and M is also capital. Read more. And yeah, we have done with the sculpture. Okay, now let's see. We have a border also. It is a silver border or it is a box shadow, I don't know. I will consider it as a border. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's have body. I will give a body that, like, let's go ahead and just make some basic styling. Margin should be 0, padding should be 0, box sizing should be border box. Okay, and font family, it should be system UI. Yeah, and smooth scrolling, I don't need I don't think it is required. Okay, let's leave it. Let's go to the body and then just give it like background. I will prefer hashtag f1 f1 f1. Okay, it is a hex code for the like grayish white color, I don't know. And 1f 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 for the text color. Let's go for the display flex, justify content center, align item center, and min height should be 100 vh, and width should be like 100%. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's make the container. It should be had the max width of let's say um, like 14, like 1200 pixels. And yeah, let's have a margin 10 pixels auto, so it will be in center. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's look amazing. So now, like you are thinking that why this is taking too much with. Just wait for a while. Like we have to wrap this in a dot card div. Okay, like this grid will be having a display. Like I'm going to make it a grid so that like we can display multiple cards here. And yeah, gap should be, I guess, 2m is okay. And grid template columns should be 1 apart by 1 apart by 1 apart by 1 apart. Okay, 4 columns should be good. Or we will adjust this. Like let's see what we can do. Okay, for the dot card, let's give it a padding padding of 10 pixels. border radius of I think 10 pixels and border of 0.1 pixels solid silver. Okay, let's see. Okay, pretty much like the background is blue, so just leave it. uh, I will make it a background white so that it should look good. And yeah, we have, let's say, display flex, like display flex direction should be column, and then we have a gap of 10 pixels. So let's see. Okay, enough. Let's go ahead and just target dot card image. Okay, I know this is a bad practice, like targeting like this, but it's okay. Like, let's give the width to 100%, and height should be auto. Like, it should take the, I mean, sorry, like like we should give it a 400 pixels, I guess. Okay, and let's give object fit cover. I think that's how it will work. Maybe, yeah, it is working actually. Yeah, it's great, man. It's great. Like, because I have given this, that's why it's okay. We can actually increase the width of the container. Like, we should give it a 1400. Yeah, let's 400 pixels is pretty much good. So let's give it a around 200. And yeah, let's give it a border radius as well. Border radius of around 8 pixels. Then it should look fine. Yeah, it is looking fine. So like, images, like, let's say, what if we can do it a cover, like contain, and let's see what happens. Like, it did not, it fits in the, yeah. Okay, so let's give it a fill. Like, it is stretching, we don't want it. Okay, then cover is the best option for now. Okay, and I know the width is not matching it, but what we can do here, okay, instead of just doing like this, let's match this. Okay, let's go ahead and let's keep this in mind, like 1 for now. Yeah, for now 1 okay. This is looking good. Like, we should increase the height of this, I guess, 250 pixels. How will it look? Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and make the chicks. Sorry. Okay, dot tags. Now if we click dot tags, what will happen? Like, if we like, what you have to do here is, like, display flex, and then flex direction should be row, and flex wrap should be wrap, like wrap, yeah. Okay, and then we should have a gap also 10 pixels, and yeah, that dot tags equals to dot chip. And then what we have to do is, like, we have to give it a padding. Okay, so padding of 10 pixels by 20 pixels or 15 pixels will be good, and border radius should be like, we want it to be round, to 35 pixels will be good, and then border will be 0.1 pixels solid RGB, sorry, silver. Yeah, I think instead of giving like this, what we can do is, like, plain silver, we can do one thing. It's 1.3 and then 1.3. Let's go with the RGB value. What do you say? RGB 0.3. Like, let's see how it looks. Is it matching with this one? Maybe, like let's reduce the value to 2. Yeah, a slight, yeah, it's matching, I guess. And image should be like 10 pixels, I guess. Like, more, okay, more, 40 pixels. Okay, enough. Let's give it a perfect size here to the font. Like, let's give it a font size like 14 pixels and all, because chips are not that much big, right? For, like, if you see in the professional device. Yeah, padding is in the y-axis, the padding is greater, I guess. So let's give it a 6 pixels. Yeah, now it's looking, see, I guess we will add a hover effect also. Let's go ahead and add a hover effect. Like, if we get a hover, then background should be like RGBA, and then yeah, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it is actually good. Yeah, like, let's have a cursor pointer as well, like it will be a link. Okay, so we have this one, and we should give it as, like, for the dot cards, inside dot cards we will have an anchor tag, and then it's just pretty much simple right now. So let's say margin 0 auto, and border radius should be 35 pixels. So we can make it, background should be light blue, as I can see, but I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Oh, sorry, text decoration should be none. Like, it is taking too much time, bro. Yeah, okay, should we add a hover effect? Nah, we don't need it. Like, I don't want, like, a slightly lower color is good. Yeah, and we have, I think, font weight also. Like, font weight should be around 500. Like, yeah, it's looking pretty much good right now. So actually we are not able to match the design, but it's okay, man. um, we can just make it a display flex, and then yeah, everything is good to reflex, just item center, align item center, and boom. Boo, boo. Sorry. Okay, we have to give it a max width also. Like, let's give it a max width of 400 pixels. What's it? Yeah. Oh, wow, exactly the same. Okay, hopefully this is looking good. Like, okay, so we have padding. Okay, we have a padding also. Like, this thing is inside a container as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this inside dot card content. Okay, so yeah, dot card content will have extra padding. Okay, dot card content will have a padding of 10 pixels. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, like really, bro. Like now it doesn't have a display text property. So like from where we can get this? Yeah, from here. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah, let's copy paste and see how it looks. Like let's reduce the text, bro. To be honest, it's looking messy right now. Yeah, let's reduce the text. Again, we want 3 lines, like 4 lines. They have 4 lines. Okay, so let's keep it a 4 line, and yeah, we're going to read all this stupid stuff. 1 2 3 4 5, still 5. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, it's actually looking like not similar, but yeah, we can expect that the image is actually not getting, yes, that's the main point. So let's use any other image. Like if we use this image, like copy the image address and then let's paste it here, and let's see whether it looks the same or not. Yeah, as you can see, the image is not getting, distracted, like distorted. So yeah, that's it. That's for the video. I'm going to update this in GitHub. You can find the link in the description. And yeah, hashtag HTML. Okay, let me write here also. Like let's give it a comment that hashtag HTML. Like hashtag is used to comment in like CSS, but it's okay, bro. Like let's write here code with Harry. Code with Harry. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, bro. So thank you.